What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. And before we start this video, can y'all please smash the like button? If y'all do, I'll give you a shout out and I'll give you a cookie. So let's just start the video. So as you can see, I'm in Minecraft PvP again. We're gonna have like a huge PvP series. So yeah. Oh, 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 oh! Diamond, diamond. Diamond. I'm lagging, yo. What the heck? How my stuff? I don't care. It's not ill, bro. Ill, bro. Alright, I'm kind of lagging a little bit because it's snowing outside. Stop dropping my sword, golly, bro. Keep dropping it. So I said every video we're going to be getting something from the chairs. I think today is the day we're going to get a helmet. So let's go ahead and get our helmet on. Yay, we got a helmet on. So yeah. That's the guy who took my thing, bro. Dang, I was fighting back good though. Alright. You got him. Oh no, bro, I'm getting my butt whooping. Bro, I'm getting my butt whooping. Golly. Oh yeah. Eat. Alright. I'm gonna go for this guy. Fight back strong. Fight back strong. You know that person's only winning cause Tay. Eat on me. Eat. Ew, bro. Put on some clothes, bro. That's it. You didn't look where you're going. Die, idiot. Leave me alone. Oh no, I missed it. Nice. Beating his butt. Until this person comes. XD. RIP all those guys. Alright. Let's get the Billy Cakes. Billy Cakes. Billy Cakes. Let me help. Who's shooting us? Bro, don't kill someone that's naked. I'm the only one who can kill those people. Now get back over here. Oh, he's going now. Should we get in that battle? No. I think that's diamond. No. Dang, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I'm really sorry. Oh no. Oh no. GG. Sorry if I'm kind of lagging. Or the video's kind of lagging, cause oh, the combos, bro. Dang it. But sorry if it's kind of laggy, cause I think I accidentally messed with the settings one in the OBS. So yeah, if it's kind of laggy, I'm really sorry, cause I didn't mean to mess with the settings on the OBS. So yeah, no, chill, dude. You have diamond armor. Why would you want to kill me, bro? I'm going with this normal. Got him. Assist. Idiot. I feel it. Alright. I know what to do when I'm about to poop. Roblox. How are they gonna make it through this long? Roblox, bro. Roblox. Dang it! Ah! Well, guys, this is basically the end of the video because I can't rage on camera. So, bye, YouTube.